Very good morning, grade 12 CBSE students. Today I, Tarun sir, your English teacher, is going to describe the summary of the most important chapter included in your English curriculum, that is Indigo. And you know what is the reason behind this? Because the chapter is on the episode of Champaran and Mahatma Gandhi. The story is set in 1916. Yes, everyone must have read it. Obviously, it is related to our history. The episode of Champaran in Bihar. British landlords and planters, they were exploiting the poor peasants over there. The farmers were compelled to grow 15% of their indigo and submit the whole harvest to these British planters. This is called injustice. And the title of this chapter is Indigo. Indigo actually was the name of a crop. The British planters exploited these farmers. Rajkumar Shukla, who was a kind of a well-wisher of these farmers, a farmer himself, he decided to visit Mahatma Gandhi, and he visited Mahatma Gandhi in the city of Lucknow. There was a meeting of Indian National Congress going on. He disclosed each and everything to Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi failed to understand few things, but yes, he decided to move along with Rajkumar Shukla to Bihar. It was a revolution. First, he visited the house of Rajendra Prasad. At that time, Rajendra Prasad was a lawyer. There, the servants got confused after seeing Gandhi that he is another poor farmer because he was dressed in such a manner. So now the journey begins, the revolution begins. Mahatma Gandhi did not stop. He well understood that yes, farmers are being exploited. He visited the British Landlord Association. He was asked to move. He visited the Tirhut division. He was asked to move. Slowly and steadily, after a year-long fight, Gandhi could see thousands of people with him. Even he was summoned. He was given a notice. And you won't believe this was for the first time that someone who got a release without a bail, who was released without a bail. Now Gandhi moves to Champaran, where he sits with the British Landlords Planters Association. An inquiry was set up. Gandhiji, he asked for 50%. Why? I'll tell you. Now let's go to the background. Why all this happened? Students, in Champaran, the British planters asked these poor peasants to grow 15% of their indigo and submit the whole harvest. Fine, not a problem. It was the British rule. I know this is injustice. Now what happened? Germany started to develop synthetic indigo. So these Britishers showed interest in that synthetic indigo. So in case if you talk about justice, they had to free these Champaran farmers, but the Britishers did not do so. Now instead of that indigo crop, they started to charge rent from them. Instead of 15% of indigo, they started to charge rent. They kept on doing so, and this continued for a very long time. Gandhi came to know this after a very long time. And now an inquiry has been put up where the poor peasants were found innocent and these Britishers were found guilty. And look at Gandhi's power. He demanded 50% return, but he did not get 50%. He managed to get 25% of the total compensation that was paid by the poor farmers. I salute Gandhi. Why? Because it was the British rule. They could have kicked him out, but no. Following the law and order, Having the support of lawyers, thousands of poor peasants, even the Britishers were scared now. The farmers were upset that how come Gandhi only got 25% in return. Gandhi said, no, 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 you people are now in a dilemma. Please stop all this. Forget this 25%. This is the first step. This is called Satyagraha movement. Non-violence based on the concept of Namak Andolan. Mahatma Gandhi was not trying to convince them. He was trying to show them the path to freedom, that 25% is not a big deal. But the poor farmers were now free from visiting the court, free from this kind of exploitation. This did not end. Gandhi called his wife Kasturba, his son Devdas to Champaran. They started to train, they started to guide and teach the poor farmers about health, hygiene, education. 6 schools were back to back opened in Champaran. Look at the power, look at the mentality of Mahatma Gandhi. Salute to such a personality. He stayed there. He taught the principles of freedom to people over there. But one thing, the Champaran episode was a twist. Yes, it was a twist. I know we have got freedom in the year 1947 and the story is set in 1916. But the foundation was laid. Thank you so much, students. The message that has been conveyed through this chapter is only one thing, that hard work, determination and honesty are the key to success. I am Tarun sir. You can log into my channel for more chapters and poems. Thank you so much, class. God bless you.